Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's budget rules for automated budget adjustments. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to explore how to use Amazon's budget rules for automated budget adjustments. First, log into your Seller Central account and click on the burger icon in the top left corner. Navigate to the Campaign Manager under the Advertising section. Find the campaign you want to adjust and open it. Go to the campaign settings and click on Add Budget Rule. This is where you can set up automated budget adjustments. You'll see the Add Budget Rule interface. Here you can increase your daily budgets for recommended events. Let's break down the settings. First, set your campaign daily budget, for example, $25. Next, name your rule. You could name it something like Valentine's Day Rule if you're planning for a specific event. Choose the type of rule. You have two options, schedule or performance. With schedule, you can increase your budget during high traffic times or specific date ranges. With performance, you can increase your budget based on return on ad spend, ROAS, advertising cost of sale, ACOS, click-through rate, CTR, or conversion rate, CVR. For the date range, select a start date and optionally an end date. You can set it to start on July 19th, 2024 and choose no end date if you want it to run indefinitely. Decide on the recurrence, daily or weekly. If you choose daily, you can run the rule all day or specify start and end times. Finally, set the increase percentage. For instance, you could set it to increase by 10%. By setting these budget rules, you automate your budget adjustments, ensuring that you don't miss out on potential sales during high demand periods while keeping your spending under control. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.